Hello my dear kids. In the previous sessions we have learned basics of divisions. Here we are going to solve some examples. We are going to see how we can divide two numbers. So let's get started. We are going to divide 12 by 2. Arrange the numbers like this. 12 divided by 2. Say the table of 2 till you reach 12 or less than 12. Here 2, 6 are 12. So we write 6 at quotient's place and write 12 below the dividend and subtract. Here 12 minus 12 is 0. So here the quotient is 6 and the remainder is 0. So 12 divided by 2, 6. Let's divide 36 by 6. Let's arrange the numbers like this and say the table of 6 till you reach 36 or less than 36. Here 6 are 36. So at quotient's place we write 6. 36 right below the dividend and subtract. We get 0 as the remainder and quotient is 6. Let's divide 10 by 4. Arrange the numbers like this and say the table of 4 till you reach 10 or less than 10. So here 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12. So we'll take 2. 2 we write at quotient's place. 2 4s are 8. 8 we write below the dividend and subtract. 10 minus 8, 2. This is the remainder. So 10 divided by 4. Here 2 is the quotient and 2 is the remainder. This is the quotient. This is the remainder. Let's solve one more example. 26 divided by 5. 26 divided by 5. Say the table of 5 till you reach 26 or less than 26. Here 5 5s are 25. 5 6 are 30. So we take 5 as a quotient. 25 we write below the dividend and subtract. 1 is the remainder. So 26 divided by 5. 5 is the quotient. 1 is remainder. Children, did you understand how we can divide the numbers? Here are some examples of division with remainder and without remainders. Can you please try this?